Howdy folks, welcome back to Small Farm Guys Garden Edition. So today, like I said, we were getting some we got our tomatoes in the last video and our peppers. So today we're going to finish planting our lettuce, and I already started digging before I remembered to start a video, but we're going to put our beans in here. So I'm just digging a trench. It looks a lot deeper, but I'm going to put our fertilizer in here. Our corn is still over here. It's been in the ground for I think 3 or 4 days now, so we should be hopefully seeing no, actually I think it went in the ground on Wednesday. It's Saturday, so hopefully by Monday we'll start to see some little baby corn plants popping through the ground, but we'll give you an update when we do get them. But for now, let's get these beans in the ground, and we're going to go ahead and get the lettuce planted, and I'm going to put more lettuce in as well. Got our trusty shovel here, got our good fertilizer, and as you can see, it is super dry here. This dirt it's a little bit moist down, but it is getting pretty dry here. Minnesota, we could really use a little drink of rain right now, but I think this summer might turn into another 2021 fiasco where it didn't rain until the end of October, or middle or beginning of October. And the rain before that was in like June, and it was a sprinkle. It wasn't even measurable. So again, we're gonna put a good little layer of stuff down. Where we're going to put the beans in. We'll take our handy dandy splitting maul, and we'll just cut ourselves a trench in here. Now it is what it is. So we've got our special bush beans. They're golden wax. We grew them last year. They're not your green bean, but it doesn't matter. I don't care. I don't eat them anyways. Lettuce here, it's doing good. It's a little wilty. It does need to get in, but you can see it's pretty moist because there's water on the lid, but it does need to get into the ground, and it'll start doing a lot better. Now I think we'll probably put another row of beans probably right in here, or actually might be better to put the lettuce there and then put a row of beans along the corn and leave the center open for now for whatever else I decide to grow. In. I'll put a couple bean plants back here, see if I won't even put fertilizer on them because I don't know if they'll grow good back here, but I'll put like 4 seeds in. I'll just tuck them in. Lettuce I didn't fertilize last year, and I did just fine. This is a long row of lettuce, and really it's not. It's just going to be a short row of lettuce here. Flatten this out the best I can. And you can see the ground still is holding moisture, but we did water it. Because this is dry dirt. We'll put the seeds into the wet dirt. So we'll grab our little shovel here and just dig a hole. Just to put our plants in. So we'll just grab this lettuce plant here. And it's dirt. Get the weeds out. Maybe I'll get both lettuce plants in there. That same spot, we'll pull the weed out. This other weed out. We'll put both lettuce plants right next to each other. Do is we'll let some of this go to seed for next year, so that way we've got lettuce seeds and we don't have to buy them. I'm not even sure how much I have left. This might be too much space. And look at that, Elena's back in here. Yeah, I don't got much seed left, but just seeing how this ground is here, I have a feeling that this front row probably won't do as good as the back row, just because it seems like this is a lot sandier.